Section plane in AutoCAD 3D. If you go to Home tab and here it is section panel. In this section panel, this is create section plane, and section plane related tool also available inside this drop down. Same tool, if you go to the solid tab and here it is section panel. In this available section plane and other tools are also available here. If you select this tool section plane and which which face you need to create section plane, you can simply click and you can create the section plane. Before creating section plane, just switch off this object snap. Otherwise, if you switch on the object snap, it will click that point exactly. Now I just switch off this one, and which face you need to create, I just switch off this dynamic UCS also. If you need, you can switch on, and otherwise just click which area you need to make the section plane. You can just click that area of section plane is created. If you select this section and you can see the Gizmo. Using this Gizmo tool, you can move the section plane. Which direction you want to move, you can simply move using this tool. Cancel and select this section plane and you can delete. This is one simple and easiest method. I just go to again section plane. If I need to create here, just click here, it will create like this, and select this one, delete it. Again I go to section plane and here we have few more options. Using this option you can create your own section plane. Just select this draw section and I click in this, switch on this object snap, and I just click here and I switch on this ortho mode also and I click here, then enter, again enter. Now you can see the section is added. This is another method, and I just select this one and delete it. I go to the section plane again. Here we have another option, orthographic. In this orthographic you can make top, bottom, front, back, left, right, all the section plane you can create. I just go to the top. Now you can see top section plane is created. Using this one, this also just you can use the Gizmo and you can make the changes in this height and all all the things you can make. At the same time, if you made any section plane, if you select the section plane, you will get that not only here all the section plane. If you click here, few more options available. I just select this one and delete it, and I go to the section plane again and I just click this face and I show you. Now I select this one and I just place it here. Just click this one and I just place it here. Now select this one and if you click here, you can see few more options. One is slice, means you will get it that some piece of that one. Okay, in this piece, if you want to increase this volume, you can just click here and you can increase the volume. And again select this plane and click here. You have boundary and the volume option also available. This is the standard default volume. If you want to increase the decrease the volume, you can, using these grips you can make changes in this. And you can see here flip options available. If you click here, you can flip your section position. Just click here, you can flip the section position. So this is the way you can create section plane and you can control the section plane in AutoCAD 3D. Live section in AutoCAD 3D. Live section means it is available inside solid tab, and here it is section, live section. Here you can see already I created a section plane, but the section is not showing. Okay, for that you just need to switch on this live section. Select this live section and select this section. Now you can see the section view. This is just like switch off and switch off. Just select again live section. If you select this section, it will switch off like this. So this is the way to use live section tool in AutoCAD 3D. Add jog in section. If you go to the solid tab and here it is add jog. If you have any section plane, in that plane, if you need a jogged type of section plane, you can use this add jack. I just go to the section plane and I create a section plane here. Switch off F3, object snap switch on, and I just make like this small section plane. Now this section plane is created, section also created. Now I am going to add a jog line. Select this add jog and I select this plane. I need to add jog, and which point I just select this point. Now you can see one jogged section, it is added. This section you can just click here, and how much you need to, where you need to move, you can move like this, and you can just like this all the points, or you can see here this point, you can click like this, you can make movement. This point also I just click like this and I place like this. So now you can see this circle, and you can see here we have this circle also. If you need to make for that circle also, if you need section line, just place it like this, just select like this, and I just click this point and you can place it like this. Slowly adjust and you can place it like this. Just click here, switch off this F3, that is better, object snap. Now it is placed. See here, if you need to adjust little bit here and here, and you can see this circle, both the circle now you can see. So using jog line, if you need to cover another area, see here, if you given this section view, so you need to show this circle, this cylinder, this opening also, and this opening also. If you need to see, you can use this jog type of section. You can just select this one using all the, how we made this normal section, the same section type of all the things available here also. You can select that one and you can change. Here also it is available all the things, and you can flip this one and you can change the location. And here we have all the corner, you are having the grips. Using grips also you can make changes in this jogged section. If you make normal section, you in this normal section, if you need any jog type of section, you can use this add jog. Generate section. You go to the solid tab, and here it is generate section in section panel. Select this generate section and you will get it like this window. The first one, select section plane, click here and select the section plane. Now which view you want, 2D section or elevation or 3D section. You can select any one. I just select here 2D section and go to the create. Before create, if you click here, you will get it a lot of options. You can, how you need that one, you can select here source, include all object, selected object to include, like that, all the options, very simple options. You can use this option also. Otherwise this is more than enough. Just create. Now you can see this view, it is created like this. Now I just, where you need to place, just click the place and it will ask you the scale factor. Just see in command line, you can see the scale is 1 default, you will get it, and you can give the more scale. If you need, you can give the more scale. I just make it 1, so simply enter. Now again it will ask you why scale and uses X. You can use X scale what we done, same scale. If you want, you can simply enter, or you can give the value also, you can simply enter. Now it will ask you what is the rotation angle. Just simply enter, because it is 0 is acceptable, and if you need any other rotation angle, you can give the angle. 0 is acceptable, so simply enter. Now you can see this object, 3D object, we got 2D sectional view. Just go to the home, and if you go to the top view, you can see this is the sectional view. Now select this one. Actually this is if you go near to this one, actually it is a block reference. See here near to my cursor point, you can see block reference. If you select this one and X in your keyboard, enter. Now it is exploded. Now it will work as normal 2D objects. See here, this is hatch. If you want to change the hatch, you can change the hatch and all the things. If you want any changes in this, you need to make any layers and you can make changes in this drawing. You can make changes and you can arrange this one inside layout and you can print and you can use this one for your project purpose. So this is the way you can generate section in AutoCAD 3D. Fatshot in AutoCAD 3D. If you go to the Home tab and if you click here, you can see Fatshot, or go to Solid tab and here it is. If you click here, you can see the Fatshot. Fatshot, you can extract this 2D view. You can see here this isometric view. This actually we created in isometric view southeast. The same view, if you want, you can make Fatshot and you can use as 2D view. I just go to the solid and I click here, click this Fatshot. Once you select the Fatshot, you can make insert as new block, or you can replace with the existing block, or you can export to a file, DWG file. Now I just select this option and here it is: foreground line and obscured line, include tangential line. We will see one by one. First, I just keep as it is, include tangential line also. Tangential line means you can see these all the lines also you can see in this extract. Okay. So just go to the Fatshot and create the Fatshot. Now I click where you need to place. You can just click here and after that it will ask you what is a scale factor. If you want, you can increase the scale factor, or you need the exact drawing, don't need to make scale, simply enter 3 times. Now it is placed like this, and if you go to the top view, just go to the top view, you can see exactly what we made in this southeast. This same view we will get it in this top. So this one we can take and we can use it in our 2D drawing. So I just select this one, already we made in block. If you just explode, type X in your keyboard, enter means it is explode. Now you can see it is normal 2D lines. Same like similar way you can create any views. See here, now we fixed in top view. This top view Fatshot we can create. Now I just go to solid also, or you can make it here also. Go to the Fatshot and I just, if you need to show this obscure line you can click, but I just click this foreground line, just select any color. Just I select this green color. Other all the thing keep as it is. We will do one by one. Now I just create. You can use your, if you have any layer you can use by layer also, and I just create now and I just place it here like this. Now enter 3 times. Now it is placed. So this is the top view. This is the top view. Now I just go to again Fatshot and now I am going to show obscure line also. So I just select here red color. The other all the thing keep as it is and create. Where you need to place, simply click that place and enter 3 times. Now it is placed. So these red colors are obscure line. So if you go here, select this 2D wireframe, you can see that things in this view. So this is the way you can create. And tangential line means you can see here this tangential line. If you didn't given the tangential line, this kind of tangential line you cannot see in this drawing. Just go to the Fatshot, you can see this include tangential line. Now I just remove this tangential line. You can see I just remove this also and create. Now you can see and simply and enter 3 times and here it is. See here it is coming only the outline sketches. See here this different, these two difference you can see. See here these tangential lines not added here. So this is the way you can create Fatshot. This Fatshot drawing you can use in your 2D drawing. So I just go to the new file and make metric, and I select here drafting and annotation. Now I go to the previous file and select these all the things, Control C, and go to this file and Control V and zoom extend. You can use double click here, you will get it here like this. See here, this is 2D drawing, normal lines. This one you can use in your layout and you can print and you can send it to your client or somebody. So this is the way, very easiest way you can extract your view and you can use your 3D model, and an efficient way you can make section or view in AutoCAD 3D using Fatshot command.